Hello, beautiful people. I am Kai Smith, but you could call me Kai the Makeup Educator. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a brand new subscriber, welcome. Welcome to the community. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm coming back with another TikTok live recording that I'm uploading here. Today we're going to do one of the most easiest smoky eyes ever. Literally, I did this smoky eye in about 2 to 3 minutes, alright, using my versatile matte paint. So first thing first, we're always going to start the look off with doing our eyebrows, okay? Anytime you're doing eyeshadow or any makeup look, for me, doing the eyebrows is super important. Now, I carved my eyebrows out, and I also put the concealer on my eyelids to create an eyeshadow base, alright? If you have not gotten my eyebrow course, you should definitely check out my $20 eyebrow course. It is a game changer, okay? It's a pretty pre-recorded makeup class, alright, with just me on the screen, and I'm teaching you how to do your brows step by step, and it's a video course. Super important, super effective. Everybody love it. You should definitely get it, all right? So I take some translucent powder, I put it on my brow bone, only on my brow bone that's right underneath my brow, and I leave the rest of the base kind of sticky. I'm going in with this Bear With Me palette. It's available on my website. I'm going to go in with that bottom color, the purple color, and that's going to be my transition color. I'm going to put that right inside of the crease, okay? Now guys, for this look, I only used one eyeshadow, and then I used the eyeshadow paint that I'm going to use. So just stick with me. We're going to take this purple color, we're going to put it in the crease. Okay, we're going to blend it out until it's nicely blended and until we have the pigment that we want. Okay, so as you can see, I'm building it up. The more I pack and blend, the more pigmented, or when I say pigmented, that just means the shadow getting a little bit darker. Okay, so you build it up to the color that you want. We are doing a smoky eye, and so I do want to build up the pigment. Once we get it blended, then we'll be ready to go in with our eyeshadow paint, okay? Now, I created the versatile eyeshadow paints because I wanted to teach women how to do their eyeshadow the easiest way possible, okay? This eyeshadow paint is definitely matte, so you don't need to put no shadow on top of it, all right? This is in the shade Onyx. This is my black one. We're going to take it, and all we're going to do is we're going to start putting it on the eyelid, okay? The eyelid is right where you see me putting it, the most bottom part of your eye, okay? The objective here is to cover the eyelid only. Don't bring it up too high, because when we start to spread it, it's going to cover the whole eye. We do not want that with a smoky eye. So we're going to put on the eyelid. We're going to let it sit for a little bit. Then we're going to take a flat brush just like this one, and we're going to start patting it out. The first thing we want to do is pat it out only on the lid first. Cover the eyelid first evenly. Okay. Once you get the eyelid covered, then you're going to start moving the eyeshadow paint up a little bit. So as you can see, I'm moving it up, okay? And this eyeshadow paint is definitely very pliable. That means you could blend it, okay? You'll see me blending it as well. And what we want to do is we want to keep on blending and patting until that eyeshadow paint and the eyeshadow meet each other and they blend together seamlessly, okay? Just like you would do any other eyeshadow. So you're going to see me patting here until it gets nice and even. As you can see, the line of demarcation between the purple and the black is starting to soften up, and it's starting to ombre into each other. That's what you want. Okay, a ombre, a nice flow. All right, look at that. Beautiful. And guys, that's basically the smoky eye. All I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a little brush. I'm going to put some more of that purple on a little brush, and I'm going to just blend right in between the black and the purple right here, just to soften up a little bit more and make it even more seamless. Look at that. Period, baby. Beautiful. Let's do the other eye. I do recommend us do one eye at a time, because these are matte paints, and just so you get used to using it, I don't want it to dry on you while you're blending the other side out. So, okay, let's go. We're going to put it on the lid only, the eyelid only. We let it sit a little bit so it can get tacky. And then we're going to start blending it out. Okay, just like that. Cover the eyelid evenly first. All right. Then, once the eyelid is nice and covered, then we're going to slowly start moving up. slowly start moving that color up, okay? So tap, tap, tap. We're going to pull it down. We do not want to cover up the transition color. So we do not want to cover up the purple. We want the two to meet and marry each other in the middle to create an ombre effect. You want it to flow into each other. So you want the black to flow into the purple without covering it up. And you want it to look like it's just melting into each other. Look at that. Beautiful. You can't tell me this ain't easy, baby. If you got if y'all have my versatile matte paints, tell me which one you have. Tell me if you tried it yet. And definitely try this look right here. There's so many ways to do it with the black onyx. So many other ways to create it, but this is one of the ways to do it. I'm definitely going to create some more eyeshadow looks. Just stay tuned, okay, guys? Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going in with the Essence Stay and Play gel eyeliner to smoke out the bottom of my lash line, because I definitely got to add some smoke to the bottom. Doing that on both sides. I'm also going to take that same gel liner pencil and I'm going to run that right on the top, right there. I call that kind of like tight lining. So I'm not using the liquid pen today, just that right there. Boom. All right. And I did kind of smudge it out so it could blend into the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow. And baby, I did my hair. I put my earrings on and look at the results. Beautiful. Okay. Definitely get my versatile matte paints.